Fisher Manufacturing is proud to present the Never Dig Hydrant Sleeve. In this video, we will show the work process involved in replacing a traditionally installed hydrant versus the quick and easy process used when replacing a hydrant using the Never Dig Hydrant Sleeve. Replacing a leaky hydrant is a lot of hard manual labor. First, we start by cutting the pavement. Then, we need to dig 4 feet deep to get to where the pipe is connected to the water line. We will save the soil and rocks because we will need them to fill the hole when finished. The digging we did here took more than an hour of hard labor. We reached the pipeline. We dug around the pipe and a little below it. Remove the old hydrant using a torch to heat the plastic water supply pipe to help loosen it. We are working with 3/4 inch pipe today, but stainless steel fittings are available in 1-inch barb that reduce to 3/4 inch thread as well. If you are running a line on through, you will need to put a T on it. Always use pipe sealant paste over top of thread tape for stainless steel fittings. Brass is normally fine with just tape. Stainless steel is harder material and requires more attention to thread sealant. Choose the fitting you need for your pipeline and fasten securely. We find it easier to install the hydrant in the hydrant sleeve before putting it in the ground. If a Never Dig hydrant sleeve is installed without the hydrant in, the top should always be taped or covered. There have been situations where concrete or gravel was spilled inside, which creates problems for installing the hydrant later. We need to slide the pipe clamps onto the water supply line. Next, warm the plastic pipe, mostly on the inside. Insert the barb fitting into the water supply pipe and tighten the pipe clamps. The Never Dig hydrant sleeve must rise above ground level. The Never Dig hydrant sleeve is manufactured in 40-inch lengths. This is perfect for most applications, but sometimes you may need to extend the top with a 3-inch schedule 40 PVC coupling and a piece of pipe. To add an extension, we need to remove the hydrant from the Never Dig hydrant sleeve. Use a 3-inch schedule 40 PVC coupling. Tap firmly in place. Then, install the extension in the length you need. Anytime the hydrant is removed for repair or replacement, always apply a pipe sealant paste on the female thread of the hydrant. The Never Dig hydrant sleeve, when manufactured, has pipe tape and sealant paste on the male thread. But anytime you remove the hydrant, pipe sealant paste must be applied on the female thread of the hydrant to seal it again. We recommended our hydrant bracket part number FM5 to support and protect your hydrant. This ensures correct spacing of the hydrant from your wall or post, allowing the hydrant to be rotated for removal from the Never Dig hydrant sleeve. Always check for leaks before replacing the soil. This one works great. When filling in around the bottom of the Never Dig hydrant sleeve, stone should be used to facilitate drainage and to avoid freezing. 10 to 12 shovelfuls placed directly around the hydrant sleeve should be sufficient. Now that you have seen the lengthy process normally used when replacing a hydrant, see how quickly it can be done with a Never Dig hydrant sleeve. If your hydrant needs replaced after having a Never Dig hydrant sleeve installed, follow these simple steps to change it. Turn off your water and get rid of water in the pipeline. Remove front of bracket. Unthread it. Lift it out. Apply pipe sealant paste on the female thread of the new hydrant you are installing to make sure it seals correctly. Screw it in and replace the Never Dig hydrant sleeve cover. Refasten the front of the bracket to hold hydrant firmly in place. And you are done. Thanks for your interest in the Never Dig hydrant sleeve.